Hello gems, my name is Bushnell. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you stay long enough to subscribe. I talk about femininity, personal development, and mindset. If you're already part of the amazing tribe, welcome back. Ladies, I'm going to talk about something that I am loving of late, and that is using your femininity to network and build your connections. Now, we are women, we are ladies, we're not going to network the same way men do. We're going to use our difference to our advantage. Now, networking is not just about taking contacts, but it's about building relationships. That being said, first thing is you're going to have to take care of your appearance. What do I mean? How do you dress when going to certain events? When you're going to a horse race, these are where you're supposed to dress. When you're going for a business meeting, these are where you're supposed to dress. When you're going to a function, a prominent wedding, these are where you're supposed to dress. So you have the proper attire. Also, your grooming. Are your nails well done? Are we seeing your cuticles? Is your hair well done, or is it full of dandruffs and needs the Lord? Okay. Is your wig looking good? Do you smell nice? Do you have a scent that is pleasing, or is it strong and choking? And then also your appearance on social media, because once you say hi to somebody and you exchange contacts and they actually find your name prompted up on their social media pages, and they find your media pages, it's gonna look kind of, trashy. Okay, so you want to take care of your appearance both on social media and in person. The second thing is I want you to avoid the following things. Avoid name dropping. Darling, if you knew who other people know or who they actually are, you'd shut up. Okay, name dropping is so ghetto. Trust me. And I struggled with name dropping at some point, but oh well. Intrusive questions like, where did you get that clothes? That's so ghetto. Okay. Another intrusive questions is about finances. How much money do you make? So, but I believe this is an African thing. We don't talk about money, okay, like that. But in the Western, I noticed they are open to talking about money. So it again depends on location and culture. And then don't share personal information about yourself, like how your boyfriend left you, how you have trauma. Darling, TMI, do not share that. You are perfect. Well, as you're networking, you have no problems, darling. But it depends. Do not look too perfect, because it creates enemies. That's one of the 48 laws of power. So have some mystery. Another thing is compromise. Avoid compromising to get certain things. For example, if you're an actress and you have values and morals, and as a child of God, you should have values and morals. Do not accept to do parts that have things like LGBTQ and sexist, and just because you want the money. And also avoid over talking, trying to fill in the gaps when it's silent. It's better you just keep quiet and look at the beautiful scenery while you drink your mimosa. The next thing is etiquette. There's difference between social and dining etiquette, and dining etiquette is really important. Know the forks, the plates, where to sit, and even the types of discussion you want to talk on the dining table. And when it comes to social, is the kinds of greetings you greet according to culture, the dress code, of course, which we talked about, and even your manners. When you laugh, do you laugh so loudly, or are you laughing like a lady? Okay. The next thing is demeanor and mannerisms. So this looks like being warm and open, smiling, being friendly, remembering names, being confident. Own the room when you walk into it. Just because other people have more money and are more famous than you, probably if that's the case when you walk into a room, darling, they're also human, and they also use the washrooms. Okay, there was another example, but the thing is, you guys are human, and if you project your confidence, trust me, they'll be the ones who are walking towards you. The next bit is go to the right places. So this looks like, first you have to understand the proximity theory. If you want something, you have to be close to it. If you want to be around rich people, if you want to be an actress, let me go back to that. If you want to be an actress, The wisest thing is to move to Hollywood because you have more opportunities there. So the proximity theory, move to where you want to, or where the people you want to be with and network with are. Another thing is you have to research. So research where these people are and do more solo dates. Remember that your network is your net worth.